chapter number 2, that is accounting for debenture of standard 12 commerce subject account. So here today we will see how to redeem the debenture and what are the accounting effect of redeemable of debenture when we have issued the debenture at par or at premium or discount. As we know that the debenture can be issued at par, premium or discount, but at the time of redeemable of that debenture we can redeem the debenture at par as well as premium. So today we will see that the accounting effect of debenture when we are redeeming the debenture at par. Let's see that. Let's see accounting effect of redeemable debenture. So here we are issuing debenture at par or at premium or at discount. So here issue of debenture can be at par or at premium or at discount. But when we are redeeming that debenture, that time we are redeeming that debenture at par. So how to pass the accounting effect in the books of company, that we will see today. So here in the very first situation when debenture are issued at par and redeemable at par. So that time the journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account, and the other journal entry that we are going to pass, that will be debenture application allotment account debit to debenture account. So this is at the time of issue of debenture, and the next journal entry will be at the time of redemption of that debenture. So when the time is due and we have to redeem that debenture, that time the journal entry will be debenture account debit to debenture holder, and when we are paying the same debenture to the debenture holder, that time the journal entry will be debenture holder account debit to bank account. The next situation is where the debenture are issued at premium and redeemable at par. So here the issue of debenture is at premium, but when we are paying the same, we are paying at par. So that time the journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application allotment account, and the second journal entry that will be debenture application allotment account debit to debenture to security premium reserve account. So that journal entry is supposed to be passed when we are issuing debenture at premium, and the same debenture when we are redeeming redemption, at the time of redemption the debenture account debit to debenture holder account, and when the amount of payment is done, that time the journal entry will be debenture holder account debit to bank. The third situation is when the debenture are issued at a discount and redeemable at par. So here we are redeeming the debenture at par, which debenture were issued at discount. So journal entry will be at the time of issue of debenture bank account debit to debenture application allotment account, and the second journal entry will be debenture application allotment account debit discount on debenture account debit to debenture, and the same debenture when we are redeeming that time the journal entry will be debenture account debit to debenture holder, and at the time of the payment of the same debenture bank account debit to debenture account debit to bank. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. So students, you may note down this. Then we will see illustration number 12, that is the related to this concept. So you may note down this. Then we will see illustration number 12. Illustration number 12. Write the journal entry only for the issue of debenture from the following transaction. See here it is clearly stated that here we don't have to write the narration without narration. So here the situation number 1, issue of 5,000 10% debenture of 100 each at par and redeemable at par. So here issue of debenture is at par and redeemable is also at par. So let's pass the journal entry for the first situation where first debenture issued price of 100 each and redeemable at par, that is 100 each. So here in this situation we have to pass the journal entry. That journal entry will be at the time of issue bank account debit to debenture application allotment account. So let's pass that journal entry. Bank account debit to 10% debenture application and allotment account. And here debenture is 5,000 and face value is rupees 100. So that will be 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Here in the sum it is clearly stated there is no need of nearest term. So we are not going to write the nearest term. The second journal entry, when debenture application account transferred to debenture account, the journal entry will be 10% debenture application and allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. And the amount will be 5 lakh. So here, when we are going to redeem the same debenture, that time the journal entry will be. So here, at the time of debenture redeemable, at the time of redemption, so here the journal entry will be for the journal entry that we are going to pass 10% debenture account debit to debenture holder account, and that will be 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Next journal entry on the payment of debenture holder. On payment of debenture holder. That time the journal entry that we are going to pass, that will be debenture holder account debit to bank account, and here amount will be 5 lakh. 5 lakh. So here first situation where issue of debenture at par and redeemable at par. Now let's see the second situation, that will be debenture issued at discount and redeemable at par. So let's see the second situation. Debenture issued price of 95 each and redeemable at rupees 100 each. So here issue is at discount and redeemable at par. So that in that situation, very first journal entry will be bank account debit to 10% debenture application and allotment account price is rupees 95. So here we have to get rupees 95 at the time of getting the money. So that will be 5,000 into 95. So amount that we are going to get in the bank will be 4,75,000. 4,75,000. Being here they are asked not to write the being, so that we are not going to write. Now the next journal entry will be to take this debenture application account to debenture account. So that time as it is issued at discount, so journal entry that we are going to pass 10% debenture application allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit to 10% debenture. So let's pass to second journal entry. So that will be 10% debenture application allotment account debit discount on debenture account debit to 10% debenture account. And that will be, as we know that we are getting money 4,75,000 and 25,000 is our discount. So total amount of debenture is 5 lakh. This was the second journal entry at the time of transfer of application to debenture account. Now third journal entry that we are going to pass at the time of redemption of debenture. As we are redeeming the same debenture at par, so we will pay 5 lakh rupees. So this journal entry will be at rupees 5 lakh. So that journal entry will be 10% debenture account debit to debenture holder account, and it will be 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Now let's see the last journal entry, that is when we are going to pay the amount. So here on payment of debenture holder, so here journal entry will be debenture holder account debit to bank, as we are going to pay to them. Debenture holder account debit to bank, as we will pay them 5 lakh rupees. That will be 5 lakh. So this is the second situation where issue of debenture is at discount and redeemable at par. Now let's see the third situation where the issue of debenture is at a premium and redeemable at par. That we will see next. You may note down this, then we will see that. Now let's see the third situation where issue of 5,000 10% debenture of rupees 100 each at premium of 8%. So here premium is given in the person. So 8%, that means rupees 8, as the face value of debenture is rupees 100. So 8 rupees will be premium and redeemable at par. So let's see for the third situation. Debenture issued. Price of rupees 108 each and redeemable 100 each. So here, in this situation, let's pass the first journal entry, that is at the time of application of money. So bank account debit to 10% debenture application allotment account. Here we are receiving money on 5,000 debenture at rupees 108. So total amount will be 5,40,000. So let's pass first journal entry. Bank account debit to 10% debenture application and allotment account. Here 5,000 debenture at rupees 108. So total amount will be 5,40,000. 5,40,000. Second journal entry that we are going to pass to transfer this application money to debenture account. That time we are going to pass journal entry, as we know that the 8 rupees is a security premium. So our journal entry will be debenture application allotment account debit to 10% debenture to security premium reserve account. So let's pass the second journal entry. 10% debenture application and allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. To security premium reserve account. Here, as we know that the 5,000 debenture and face value is rupees 100 and 5,000 debenture and security premium amount is rupees 8 per debenture. So here total amount is 5,40,000 and debenture amount is 5,00,000 and 40,000 is security premium reserve account. So for now, when at the time of redemption of debenture, the journal entry that we are supposed to pass, it will be 10% debenture account debit to debenture holder. Let's pass that journal entry. So for that, at the time of redemption of debenture, and that journal entry will be third one, 10% debenture account debit to debenture holder. Account. Here, as we know that redeemable at par, so we are not going to pay the security premium. So our amount will be 5 lakh. And here again, when we are going to pay, so at the time of payment to debenture holder, on payment to debenture holder, journal entry will be debenture holder account debit to bank. Fourth journal entry will be debenture holder account debit to bank account. Here we will pay them 5 lakh. So this journal entry supposed to be passed at the time of issue at premium and redeemable at par. Students, you may note down this. Thank you for watching this video.